Language is the communication media. Human languages, example English, Telugu, Hindi, etc., are used to establish communication between person and person to person, whereas the computer languages are used to establish the communication between the person, user, and machine. The computer language are formed with the group of instructions, often called as programs. The computer languages are derived divided into the following: computer languages 3, mission level, assembly level, high level. The computer languages move 3 levels: one, mission level languages; 2, assembly level languages; 3, high level languages. mission level Mission level languages. This languages is also called as first generation language. All the instructions are written in the mission level language or in the form of O's and zeros and ones. Zeros and ones. Computer languages are in the form of zeros and ones. It is very difficult to learn and difficult to understand. This is also called as low level languages. Low level language. Mission language instructions computer can understand directly. But this but these languages are mission department. Advanced programs advantages. A first point, program execution is faster. 2, the computer can understand instructions directly. 3, no translation is needed. No translation needed. No translations needed. And programming disadvantages. Mission level languages disadvantages. First, mission department language. Second, program is very difficult. Third, difficult to understand. Fourth, difficult to write bug free programs. Fourth point, difficult to write bug free programs. And second, assembly level languages. This language is also called as second generation languages. All the instructions are right in assembly level languages or in from the of mnemonics. Mnemonics means symbolic. Mnemonic means symbolic name. ADD for addition. MUL for multiplication. Sub for subtractions. DIV for division, etc. Assembly languages instructions computer cannot understand directly. Some there is need for translator like assembly. Assembler is a system which translate assembly level instructions into machine understandable. From advantages, assembly level languages advantages. First one, essay to understand when compared to machine level language. Second point, essay to modify. Assembly level languages disadvantages. First point, mission department language. Second one, recurve translator. Third one, difficult to write. Third level languages is high level languages. All the instructions are right in high level languages or in the from generally English. These languages are very easy to learn and easy to implement, but it also requires the translator to translate this program into machine understandable from high level languages. Advantages: easy to write understand. Second point, easy to debug. Third point, machine independent language. High level languages disadvantages. First one, first point, needs a translator. Second point, require more execution time. Difference between mission and assembly and high level languages. Feature from mission zeros, ones, assembly, high level, normal English. Features mission department, assembly department, high level, independent. Translator not needed, mission assembly needed, high level needed. Execution time, mission less, assembly less, high level high. Nature feature nature mission class 1, assembly different high level different languages. Manifestations nature difficult essay memory space mission less, assembly less, high level more. And different generations of programming languages. The concept of generations of programming languages is closely connected to advantages to advance in technology. The 5 generations of programming languages include mission language, assembly language, high level language, very high level languages, and 5th generation language that include artificial intelligence. First generation of programming languages. The first generation programming languages are 1GL is mission language. Mission language is a set of instructions and data that a computer is a central processing unit can execute directly. Mission language statements are write in binary code, and each statement corresponds to one mission action. First generation programming languages advantages. First point, code can be executed directly by the computer. Second point, execution is fast and efficient. Third point, program can be written efficiently until memory. First generation of first generation of programming languages disadvantages. First point, difficult to write and understand. The second point, it is difficult to detect and correct errors. Third point, code is mission dependent. Second generation programming language. The second generation programming language are 2GL is a assembly language. Assembly language is a human readable notations for the mission language used to control specific computer operations. An assembly language programmer writes the instructions used symbolic instructions code that are meaningful adaptation or innovations. An assembly is a program that translated assembly language into mission programming language. Second generation programming language advantages. It is easy to understand. Second point, it is easier to write a program in assembly language than mission language. Third point, it is easy to detect and correct error. Advantages. Second generation program disadvantages. Programmers must have a good knowledge of their hardware and internal architecture of the CPU. The second point, the code cannot be directly executed by the computer. Third point, code is mission dependent. Third generation programming language. The third generation programming language 3GL or procedure human language to write instructions of high level and read, write and mission and maintain. Programmers write in a high level programming language must be translated into machine language by compiler or interpreter. Pascal, Pascal, Patran, Basic, Combol, and C++ are example of third generation programming languages. Third generation programming language advantages. The code is mission independent. It is easy to learn, understand. It is easy to detect and correct error. It is easy to mention the code. Disadvantages. The code is less efficient. Second point, code is not optimized. Third point, it is difficult to write a code, control the CPU, memory and registers. Fourth generation programming language. The fourth generation programming language are not procedurally language often as 4GL enable user to access data in databases. A very high level programming language is often referred to as goal oriented programming language because it is usually limited a very specified applications and it might use syntax that is never used in other programming languages. SQL, Node and Focus are example of fourth languages programming language and fifth generation languages. The fifth generation programming language is variation programming language, visible programming language, visual programming language, visual programming language is also known as a normal language, provides a visual environment for creating source code. Fifth generation programming language allows people to interact with computers without needing any specified knowledge. People talk to computers and the voice recognition system can convert spoken